chill and grill with Grace this summer, I'm gonna take a little time to explain the differences between the lineup of Grace's jerk seasoning. We're gonna start off with the hot one. The hot seasoning is for those of you who are really bold and brave because it's very spicy, a lot of flavor, but it does pack a lot of heat. So if you can't handle the heat, you might wanna go with Jerk's mild sauce. Right? This mild sauce packs the same amount of flavor, however, the heat profile of it is nowhere near as hot as the hot jerk sauce. And then, if you want to throw a little sweet into the mix, you got this Jamaican honey jerk sauce. The jerk sauce is not just Jamaican, it's made with Jamaican honey. Honey in a jerk sauce, backside. Yo, if you want the sweet part, you go with the honey. If you want the hot, you go with the hot. And if you want the mild, you go with the mild jerk seasoning. All of them have great flavor and they'll all get you to where you need to be with your chilling and grilling this summer with Grace.